Hi everybody, Mental Health Monday. Today is going to be a little bit more on as we get into these cooler temperatures that we're seeing. I know last week we had a little bit of warmth, but we will be getting into that colder weather soon. And as it starts to cool off, we tend to kind of go into hibernation mode as people. We want to stay inside, we want to stay warm, and we want to overfeed ourselves, right? Wintertime comes and we're like, let's stuff our faces. Sometimes it can be a simple association, like what I just said, with the cold weather equaling warm food, and then warm food equals heartier meals, which equals weight gain. And if that's your goal and you're bulking, sure, absolutely. But colder weather does not have to equal weight gain and winter bodies. It is important that we are still eating our whole foods, and even better if you can eat seasonal produce. This is what will be cheaper at the grocery store anyway. And making sure that we're consuming at least 100 ounces of water per day. That's going to be a little bit more tough because it's tend to be thought of as a cold drink. And again, when we are already cold, we don't want to drink cold drinks. So our water intake more than likely is going to go down this wintertime, which is why it's still very important to keep your hydration up. Absolutely drink some herbal teas. Those are also going to count toward that goal to help warm you up as well. Bottled water, cup of tea, bottled water, cup of tea. Kind of goes hand in hand, but if it's caffeinated, it's not going to give you as much water content because caffeine is a diuretic. But herbal teas, perfect. Making sure that we get out of our houses. That is a need. It's not a want, it is a need. Especially when we're in our work from home state of the world. A lot of people work from home now. Make sure you're getting up and you're moving around every hour if you can. Aiming to go to the gym 3 to 4 times a week and still get outside. Even if it's overcast, even if it's cold, just make sure you're dressing warm. It's good for you and it's good for your mind. That way you're not feeling stuck and isolated like everyone was in the pandemic. We don't need to go back there as we all had pandemic trauma. Same rules apply year round. Remember that. Even though we switch from maybe salads to soups and crock pot meals, you have the power over what you are fueling your body with this cold season, and how you use that fuel is also up to you. Any questions, comments, or concerns? Drop it below.